prime factorization? Prime factorization is when we find the numbers, the prime numbers that multiply into our given number, or basically multiply together to create our given number. So if you have 75 here, the first thing we realize is that we can break it down with a 5. So I know 75 is 5 times, we know it's 5 times what? Oops, if I do my line here properly, 5 times 15 is 75, right? So I know 5 times 15 is 75, that's good. So I think I can break this down even further. 15 can be what? 3 times 5, right? So now, if we look at the very bottom with our factor tree here, we can see that our prime factors are 5 times 3 times 5, right? And 5 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is also a prime number. Again, let's give it here. So if we multiply together, we should get 75. So our prime factorization, right? This prime factorization in this case is 5 times 3 times 5. So that's our prime factorization in that case. Now let's look at our next question. So our next question, we have 82. So for 82, we can divide it by 2 first. So we know that 82 divided by 2 is 41, see? 41. Now, if we know our math here, we know that 41 is really divisible by anything, right? And 41 itself is a prime number. So we can state that our prime factorization for this, our PF, right, would just be 2 times 41. 2 times 41, as simple as that. Now for this one over here, I have 92. Now 92, if we can divide it by 2, right? We divide it by 2, 92 divided by 2 is 46. And 46 can, again, be brought down to lower terms to 2 and 23, right? So we know that 23 doesn't have any other factors. 23 is a prime number. So therefore, my prime factorization for 92 would be something like this. We write PF, prime factorization, and you would write down all your prime factors. So I'll start from the left here, 2 times 2 times 23. And just to make sure our answer is correct, if you multiply this together, 2 times 23 gives us 92. So that's how you can do prime factorization.